But here I would like to also bring to the attention of the House and especially of the government, generic medicines. There are a lot of spurious drugs in the market now. So in the absence of proper testing labs, I am afraid that these generic medicines may not serve the purpose to alleviate the sufferings of our people. Also in the very same page, I must laud the Chief Minister for bringing out a new item for measuring happiness. If I'm not mistaken, the most happy country now is Finland. Maybe we can check the parameters which they also use, how to measure happiness. But while discussing happiness, I am afraid, even though we don't have the parameters now, if people say that we are from a state that is #1 in corruption in the country, I doubt whether our happiness will really go up or it will go down. While stressing about the value of happiness, I'm sure if the happiness indicators of our people can be improved, we will have less numbers of I love yous. In fact, a few days back, brother of I love you is also involved in another crime. So we have to really strive forward to bring happiness to our people. In the budget speech itself, it is written the ultimate goal of all government interventions is well-being and happiness of the citizens. We cannot avoid these allegations that have been made, sir. And when I say this, I also know that the government does not have to reply to every Tom, Dick and Harry when they make allegations. But the allegations that we received recently, it is made not by Tom, nor Dick, nor Harry. It is made by a very, very important person in our country.